we now want to talk about matters agriculture, where for years now the Turkana County has been associated with long drought and food shortages. Now, more recently, however, a radical transformation of the lifestyle of this pastoral nomadic community has seen them embrace farming and eventually not only become food sufficient, but create a surplus. In today's edition of The Next Frontier in Agriculture, Philip Keitany visits Lojokobwo in Turkana County. Take a look.
About 60 kilometers from Lodwar town is Lojokobwo irrigation scheme that is run and managed entirely by the local community. The scheme sits along Tarkwel River, and it's here where the story of hope for Turkana County begins to unfold.
With the right kind of seed, this scheme has seen them produce among the best in the 10 schemes that we have done.
We meet Apus Apakan. She is in her 50s and has been nicknamed engineer because of her confidence in farming activities. Among the crowd that is in the maize field, she surprises everyone on her mastery of Swahili. She tells me if she is given the choice between maize farming and keeping animals, she will pick maize farming anytime. This is because she now has food, but also surplus to sell to raise money to send her grandchildren to school or for health care.
Alikuwa anatumia nini mbua. Kwa siku hizi mbua anakwasa hapa. Unapanda mtama kidogo unaanza kauka. Kati puti kukuja hapa nasaidia sisi. Sasa nataka nini kukuja kusaidia sisi kuinua juu kati akipanda mahindi kama Kenya. Ndio sisi anapata mpuno kidogo kuinua juu.
The irrigation scheme has more than 750 farmer beneficiaries, according to Joanna Ekidor, who serves as the secretary of Lojokobwo irrigation scheme. The project yielded 150 bags of maize in 2015, something unheard of before in the region. The 150 bags belong to 200 farmers who farm the scheme.
Sisi wote wengi wetu wanategemea shamba. Sababu shamba ndio iko standard, imefensiwa, imejengwa canal line, lakini hiyo ingine yote hakuna.
However, with more farmers coming on board in 2015, they got 1,000 bags. In the current harvest, they are projecting an increase in productivity of 300 bags on 400 acres under maize. They will also sell this surplus to their neighbors.
Ndio najua shamba ndio mzuri. Analiza watoto yetu, analiza mbuzi yetu.
According to David Tanui, up to 3,000 acres lie downstream and upstream of the Tarkwel River, and the owners are also willing to enroll into irrigation too.
All these villages together, having a population of approximately 10,000, I guess, depend on this Lojokobwo irrigation scheme. But as we say, there is room for expansion. There is room for expansion. The water is there in the river and the farm is there. It's just a matter of now getting more funds to be able to expand and serve the other farmers.
While admitting that water scarcity is still a thorny issue still facing these farmers, locals are still determined to expand the scheme with a waiting list of more than 200 others waiting to join the scheme. The successes of Lojokobwo irrigation scheme that is run and managed by the community here can be used as a benchmark by other communities in arid and semi-arid regions to fix the perennial food insecurity experienced in most parts of the country. Philip Keitany for The Next Frontier from Lojokobwo, Turkana County.